What's going on, Daytona fans? It's Kevin here, and in this video I'm gonna do the reveal for the Instagram photo. Woo! A few days ago I sent out a picture on Instagram. It's a teaser photo of what was being revealed today, and what I'm revealing to you today is the 1966 Dodge A100 camper van. So this is the picture I took and posted on Instagram. What a lot of people don't know is that this van is actually bigger than the Volkswagen van that everyone has come to know and love. And how much bigger? Well, the Volkswagen van can't hold a queen bed, but this one can. Let's go take a look. All right, so let's take a look inside. As you guys can see, it fits an entire queen bed in here, and this is actually where I'm staying. This is an Airbnb. So what's real cool about this van is that it originally comes with a compartment underneath right here. So in addition to being able to put a queen bed, you can store all your stuff inside. So before I go on and talk about the interior, I want to talk about the paint. The paint is originally this shade of blue. However, the owner decided to paint the outside plum crazy purple, which I think is pretty cool. So now let's get inside and take a look at how roomy this van is. So these camper vans back in the day come with this extension right here. However, this van didn't come with it, and the owner decided to fabricate that himself. Now, with this extension, you get a lot more airflow and you get a beautiful view of the night. All right, let's take a look at the inside. All right, so if you thought your car was lackluster, then you gotta take a look at this. There's only a radio here. There's a temperature control, cigarette lighter, steering wheel, gear shift, and your general gauges. And that's all you get coming from factory. So if you ever think about your speaker system and how bad it is, at least you have one.
Going.
Now, if you're a little bit handy like he is, you can actually install a CD player and a couple of speakers so you have something to listen to. There's also some kind of radio here. I don't know what it is. Now let's get to the reason why you're really here, the motor. And the motor is a mid-engine rear-wheel drive configuration. That means the motor is right here next to you. And this is the beautiful Slant 6 225 cubic inch. Now this is a completely stock motor with 145 horsepower. So I think I know why these vans were not too popular, and I'm going to show you why. It's how you get in and out. So if you're a short guy like me, you're going to struggle to get out, and you're going to have good knees because you're going to have to jump your way out just to get out. And to get in is not that easy either. This button, probably due to age, but it really, you need a lot of force to open it up. Pop it open, and to get in you gotta shimmy your way in. So if you're ever in a hurry, this is not the van for you. All right, Daytona fans, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the van and actually want to stay in the van, it's in Maine. I'll leave a link in the description below with the actual Airbnb. That way, if you're in Maine and want to stay in something as awesome as this, you can. Until next time, have a great day. Peace.